Here's how you can recover deleted videos on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can recover deleted videos on your iPhone device. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know how you can recover deleted videos. So first step is very simple. I'm just going to go ahead and delete a video, and I'm going to tell you how you can recover it as simple as that. First up, just go to your profile photos, and right over here inside photos, I'm just going to delete this video right over here. And once the video has been deleted, I'm just gonna go to my recently deleted section. So it's pretty simple. You just need to scroll down till the recently deleted section, and you'll see right over here where under the utilities it says recently deleted. So you just need to simply press on that and view album, and right over here you will be able to see your recently deleted videos. So just simply press on that video that you want to recover, just like this, and you'll see two options. First one is simply recover, and the other one is delete. So you can just press recover, and there you go. Now you go back and you will see the deleted video that you just deleted is right over there. And now the second method is basically going to your official iCloud website, so right over here. And if you can't find the photo, just basically go find it inside your iCloud, and you can directly recover it and inside your Photos app. And once you exit it right here, as you can see, you can just find pretty much any photo. And yeah, this is actually it on how you can recover deleted videos on iPhone. So I hope that this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.